Welcome viewers and the beginners who are learning C and they have never done the C++ program, C or C++ programming. This is a compiler which is using pre-created C. This is a compiler where you can create C and C++ programs. For the first time, you have to learn C before you go for C++. This is compiler which is opening. This is what it looks like. It has so many things. First thing which opens is no name 00. This is a by default name given by the compiler, and C++ function called as .pp. So whenever we are writing program, just take care to change the name from .cpp to C. Name you can give any of your choice. First time so let's start. Plus hash means define which compiler understand any hash, so it's called pre-compilers. We write include just to include a file. The file which we include is an header file. Header file means there is a functions and there are something written, and these functions we are using in this program so that understands what it should do. It's already done by somebody, we are using that. The file which we are stdio is a short form for standard. I stands for input, O stands for output. A header file. Stdio is this is the first line which we write C program. Do this thing, all the functions and are included will be available for this compiler to use it. Mathematical means there you have to give hash include in opening and if to say math which they are all included in that file or RAM. So first, which are related to input and output are found inside this stdio.h, which stands for standard input, which are monitor and keyboard. All those things are found in stdio.h. Now we are writing void main. After that, it's a bracket closing. Program, you should have a main. Function is there for where we write either C or a C++ program. Main function in each and every program. Void main means in C each and every run something. When we say void does not return any, so we are initially declaring that our function is going to return you nothing. And opening and closing brackets, scope of that function, main function. Whichever program you have to write it inside curly opening and curly. Here, whenever you are starting any program, print something on your screen. For that, you have a function called as printf. Just that whichever you are writing as a function, inside that there are double quotes, which whatever you write text inside that thing will be printed on the screen, that is monitor. Program. Give it my name first.c. Say okay. Now the name changes from previous to the this first.c, and it run anything, you just have to compile it. There are 0 warnings and 0. Now you can go to run it. It shows run executed, and then this is an error which is coming, which is not important. You can just keep okay. Now what has happened? Windows output, you can see. Now computer compilers are so fast that they don't do you see the, so they are running in a hurry. If suppose output getch is get character function, which is asking give me a character. So until unless you give some character to not, it will be holding your screen. Qualities of getch is to get a character till you holds it. When you give you press anything, it takes that character and goes. So this function is just to hold a screen for you. Now let's see. Compile. Warning is 0, error 0. It says error, don't consider this. This is just okay, my first program. Now you can, you are entering, it goes. Once again you run it, you will have another my first program. So this will keep on coming. So thing in our key bracket, that is a pilot again, no warnings, no errors, run that thing again. Just say okay, my first program, again, my first error. There will be no repetition of screen. It is done.